Hi everyone. So there's a proactive and reactive. When we are reactive, we wait for the command for us to do something. We are reactive to the things that happens already. So when you are reactive, you are waiting for the call for you to get things done. But when you are proactive, you have the initiative in advance of seeing what was happening in the future, and you visualize what come what may. When you are proactive, you become leaders that step up, that you are not waiting for someone for you to do the command, to follow that command. You have that initiative to do what is right thing to do, even though there's no orders or command to your superior coming from your superior. So in life, instead of being reactive, let us be proactive. And when you are a leader, if people around you seeing you as a leader, you must take an action, a brave action. Take initiative in all aspects, in all areas in your life, especially that you have followers. And what we said, the things that we said, you must apply it in a real life. Let's do the talk, walk the talk. Hope this simple motivational talk we learn something, apply beingness of become proactive in life, professional active, someone that is professional in everything, the task that is already in your mind, not waiting for someone to give an order to be followed, but someone who have that causative in all areas of life, because you have a visions, you visualize what may happen in the next 3 hours, or you see what is the right thing to do, or you see the end of the result. So let's practice being proactive. Thank you everyone, and God bless.